All right, let's crush a physics question. This one says, what is the approximate apex height of a projectile that is launched straight up on Earth with a VIY of 68 meters per second? So VIY is an initial velocity in the y direction. V is velocity, I means initial, and y means y direction, which just means straight up and down. So if something's launched upwards with a velocity of 68 meters per second, how high is it going to get? We can use this equation right here to figure this out. So we've got our height equals the initial velocity times time minus 0.5 times g, which is acceleration due to gravity, times time squared. Let's fill in stuff that we know here. So y is what we're wondering about. We're wondering about height, so that's going to stay in there as y. We got our initial velocity, which is 68, and that's going to be times time minus 0.5 times acceleration due to gravity, which typically use 9.8 for that, 9.8 meters per second squared. You can get a little more exact than that, but we'll use that value, times time squared. So we've got a quadratic equation here, which is going to give us the graph of a parabola, which is going to go in the shape of something like this, where our object gets fired off, gets to a maximum height, and then comes back down to Earth over a given amount of time. We can find the x value, or in this case the t value, of our vertex using the equation t equals negative b over 2a, where our b value is the number in front of the t, and our a value is the number in front of the t squared. So to fill out this little equation here, we'll do 68 divided by 2 times b. So if we multiply 2 times 0.5, the 2 and the 0.5 are actually going to cancel out. So we actually end up with, sorry, this was negative 68, so it's negative b, so negative 68 over negative 9.8, which is going to give us a time of about 6.9 seconds. But we're not looking for the time, we're looking for the height. So we can plug this time back into our equation to figure out the height. So we're going to take our equation, y equals 68 times our 6.9 that we just got. That's our t value for our vertex, minus 0.5 times 9.8, acceleration due to gravity. Get our 6.9, we're going to square that. When we do out all this math, we get a height of about 240 meters.